Hello, how you doing? Terry here, Jetmac. Just a wee quick video just to show you the Honda GX390 with the 21 litre interpump and reduction gearbox. So here we have Honda GX390 engine, 13 horsepower, unleaded petrol, will arrive oiled up, ready to go, on off switch, turn it on, choke, petrol on off, fuel, less revs, more revs. Round to the front here we'll have a good heavy duty red hose reel, 30 meters of hose, braking system here, so you only take out what you need, take that out and then you can put that in to lock it. Here we have the pressure control valve, less is anti-clockwise, more pressure is clockwise, and here we have the nozzles. We provide this machine a turbo nozzle which is all quick release, all stainless steel, so you have no problems with corrosion, and two high pressure nozzles, a 15 degree and a 25 degree. So let's start the machine up. So let's get a nozzle in. This is your suction hose here. There's only need for one suction hose in a 21 litre machine as long as you have the correct size suction filter. I made a video about that previously. But anyway, connect onto your hose. The big hose is the suction hose, the smaller hose is a return hose, so when you let go of the trigger it puts back to the barrel. Hook that up like that. Just put your filter into the water, make sure it's submerged.